Aging. It's inevitable. But aging poorly is not. Our bodies are designed at the cellular level to stay healthy and strong. Our cells make special tools called redox signaling molecules that help protect cells against damage, help repair cells that become damaged, and help replace cells that are too damaged to repair. Redox signaling molecules are the key to health and vitality. So what is ASEA? Simply put, ASEA is trillions and trillions of redox signaling molecules in a bottle. Using a highly patent-protected process, our technicians break the molecular bonds of ultra-pure salt water, then recombine the free-floating atoms to form brand new molecules, redox signaling molecules, the same molecules your cells use to stay healthy and strong. Why do we need more redox signaling molecules? Because when we're very young, our bodies make plenty of these special molecules. That's why skinned knees heal so fast, and children never get sore after a full day of play. But after about age 12, our bodies make fewer and fewer of these molecules. As adults, illnesses linger longer, and we get sore after a few hours of exertion, and damaged cells take longer to heal. We need a redox signaling supplement. ASEA is the world's first and only redox signaling supplement. The only product on the planet containing native to the body redox signaling molecules. Your cells know how to take care of themselves. They just need a little extra help. Give yourself the molecular tools you need to stay vibrant, healthy, and strong. Click order and try ASEA today.